Ikhabinethi izigxeke kabukhali iziganeko zodushe eAlexandra eRhawitini yithabemibeli mabangathatheli umthetho ezandleni zabo.
Some of the underlying factors in this matter is economic insecurity by South Africans and the failure of South African business to actually abide with the established what we call targets. Because all over Africa now, I'm sure you must have heard a lot of pronouncements how various countries are trying to protect job for their citizens. But South Africa's approach is of such a nature that we acknowledge that you can't cut South Africa out of the continent, but there are certain set of jobs which we think should be protected for South Africans.
Umbani urhulumente uthi uxhalabile kakhulu njengokucimicimi uphazamisa uqoqosho lweli.
The infrastructure now is in trouble, and that always have symptoms. It's not going to change until all these interventions serve the purpose for which they are being brought in.
Kumba we-COVID-19 urhulumente uthi eli alikaphumi kubungozi be-COVID-19.
Intentions to do away with the Disaster Act. But we have said that we don't want to leave a vacuum, because the biggest challenge here, this thing is so unpredictable. You must have means in case it comes at an unexpected time. You must have means to be able to take care of that situation. So you need to leave measures.
Kwimiba yehlabathi uthi babila besome bezama ukunceda bemibeli nabavaleleke eUkraine.